Miss Evelyn. Thanks so much for tuning in to my channel today. I truly appreciate it. First, I want to take the time and say welcome to all of my new subscribers. I see that my channel is growing and I want to thank you for subscribing to my channel. I also want to take the moment to thank all of my Etsy customers. I truly appreciate supporting my Etsy shop, purchasing my products for hair loss. Thank you for your reviews, your 5-star comments. I receive them every single day, and I just thank you for sharing your stories with me and sharing your progress using the products. Today I want to share with you my protective hairstyle. I decided to wear my hair in 2 French braids parted down the middle of my head using Marley Hair. I really like Marley Hair. I normally wear my hair in a protective style 95% of the time, and my protective style of choice lately have been wearing my hair in 2 parted down the middle in 2 French braids. So what I've done to keep my hands out of my head, I decided to add Marley Hair French braided into my own natural hair. It helps to keep my hair neat and professional looking. Before I installed my protective hairstyle, I did thoroughly cleanse my scalp as well as my hair, and I applied my hair mask, my stinging nettle hair mask, onto my scalp and my hair. I gave myself a good treatment, hot oil treatment, using my pure nettle hot oil. So I will remove my protective style every 4 weeks and redo my steps using my products, my hair mask, whatever my scalp needs during that time when I remove my protective hairstyle. Daily I will spritz my hair using my stinging nettle scalp tonic. This scalp tonic feels so good on my scalp. It soothes my scalp, and especially in the protective hairstyle, if my scalp is itching, my scalp tonic really helps stop the itching, soothe the scalp, and keep my hair moisturized. I also will use daily or every 2 to 3 days, I will use my extra strength nettle hair growth oil. I love the tip of this oil, of this bottle, because it's so easy to apply the oil. I can drop it directly onto my scalp using the tip and just insert into my braids and on my scalp that way. I also will add my retained butter on the ends of my hair. You can't see it, but my hair stops about right here, and I moisturize it using my scalp tonic, and then I apply some of my shea butter on the ends, and then I tie up my head for bed. So that's how I will take care of my hair daily, or take care of my hair before I go to bed. I will not shampoo my hair in my protective hairstyle. However, I will do my herbal hair rinse every single weekend. I will do a herbal hair rinse. I will have a video coming this Friday launching the announcement of my herbal hair rinse for hair loss. So leave me a comment down below, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you this weekend with another video. Thank you. Bye-bye.